The SuperTrend is one of the most popular indicators on TradingView. But what if I told you there's a version that's on another level? One that gives very accurate buy and sell signals every day? I've tested it, optimized it, and the results are insane. Watch the full video closely to uncover the indicator's name and our private settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, Quant Algo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. We found an incredible indicator that nobody knows yet, so let's break it down from A to Z and turn it into a profitable strategy. Please note that the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice. Remember that trading with indicators involves risk. The indicator calculates a standard SuperTrend framework from an ATR on a volume-weighted price source, measuring current volume against its recent percentile and converting that context into a dynamic ATR multiplier. As a result, traders receive fewer whipsaws when activity surges and faster reactions when the tape is quiet. At first glance, it might seem like a regular SuperTrend, but believe me, it's anything but. That's because it includes a unique feature in its algorithm, volume percentile, helping adapt the classic SuperTrend to the day you are trading. As you can see, we have a regular SuperTrend mainline as well as upper and lower bands. So, the volume percentile sets the mood, and the sensitivity you configure in the settings translates it into dynamic bands. With that, the indicator widens bands when volume is unusually high to reduce noise and tightens them when volume is low to catch reversals earlier. As a result, it predicts trends with surgical precision. When it comes to trading rules, when the SuperTrend mainline becomes green and the indicator prints a green triangle, it signals an entry for a long trade. Voila! Look at the huge move we captured, leading to strong gains. In a bearish scenario, when the mainline changes its color to red and a red triangle appears on the chart, we can go short. And there you have it. We took advantage of this strong downward move and locked in solid profits. To integrate this powerful indicator, open the indicator window. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Type volume percentile SuperTrend and choose the following indicator. Want to level up your trading? Meet Quant Algo, our top private indicator, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access Quant Algo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo, will put you at a disadvantage. As many of you already know, we don't recommend trading at this stage, as the indicator may produce a lot of fake signals, particularly when the market is sleepy. The first important step before trading is always to optimize the indicator settings for your chosen asset and time frame. And that's exactly what we're diving into. So, open the Inputs tab, and here are the parameters we will be working with. Primarily the volume component group and the SuperTrend group. That said, we're particularly interested in volume lookback, which computes the percentile of volume. A larger window gives a more stable percentile, while a smaller one reacts more quickly. Lower the parameter to 20. Moving on, we have the VWMA source length. The price input for bands is a short volume-weighted moving average of the close. In other words, it smooths the volume-weighted price source for the bands. So, change it to 2. Finally, there's the ATR length, which defines the number of periods used to calculate market volatility. This parameter determines how sensitive the indicator is to price changes. Adjust it to 12. Keep in mind that optimal settings are only half the equation. We also need a powerful filter to improve the strategy even further. The confirmation we used is a powerful trend analysis indicator that blends classic market oscillators with advanced normalization methods, complex mathematical algorithms, and Arnaud-Legoux smoothing. Unlike obsolete single-purpose indicators, this one integrates market momentum, volatility, and trend strength into a single comprehensive framework. That said, to confirm a long trade entry from the SuperTrend indicator, the alta area should be green and positioned below the 0.7 line. On the opposite side, to validate a short trade entry from the first indicator, the alta area should have a red color with the main line remaining above the minus 0.7 level. And now, you'll get far fewer fake signals than before, thanks to this indicator. We'll present the backtesting evidence a bit later. To add this amazing filter, go to the Indicators tab, search for Trend Aggregator, and opt for the following indicator. Now let's take a moment to optimize the settings. Open the Inputs tab and set the ATR to 8, the RSI length to 31, the K length to 29, the MACD length to 18, and the sigma length to 2. At this point, let's take a look at the live performance. Here, the main line turns green, and the alta is also green and positioned below the 0.7 level, allowing us to go long. We set a stop below the latest low and aim for a take profit with a 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Boom, our TP level was hit. Now, the main line becomes red, and the alta has a red color and is located above the minus 0.7 level. We go short with a stop above the recent high in the same RR target, and our target has already been hit. However, manual backtesting is obsolete. That's why we created the Quant Capital Strategy Builder, a game-changing tool for traders that provides backtesting data for any TradingView indicator in under 30 seconds. Just open the Builder's settings, go to the Set Long Conditions tab, select a parameter that matches the indicator's buy signals, and do the same for the sell signals. And here's the backtesting report. Before revealing it, note that backtesting results are shown for educational purposes only. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here are the preliminary results for Ethereum on the 15-minute time frame, using only the first indicator with its optimal settings. And they are not bad. We have an adequate win rate of about 64%, a manageable max drawdown of 21%, and an impressive net profit of 349%. Overall, we can go live even right now. The only thing I don't like is the 6 losses in a row. So, open the Builder settings, where the trend aggregator is already integrated and optimally configured, then click here to enable it. Voila, the win rate improved to more than 70%. Although the net profit dropped to 225%, it was achieved with only 128 trades, resulting in a much higher profit per trade. Finally, we ended up with literally the same max drawdown. However, we now have 11 winning trades in a row and only 3 consecutive losses. The equity curve is amazing, and traditionally, we top the buy and hold strategy. Looking for even stronger results? Simply apply Quant Builder's built-in momentum filter. Set the trend sensitivity to short and change the length to 97. We boosted the win rate to over 77%, lowered the max drawdown further to 16%, and got nearly the same net profit with almost half as many trades. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to keep creating and sharing fresh content more frequently.